Listen to me, because what I am about to tell you is something that could very well determine whether you sleep soundly in your retirement or whether you spend your nights worrying about the safety of your hard-earned money. People come to me every single day, and they ask, Susie, I see these apps, these digital platforms, they look like banks, they act like banks, they give me a debit card, is it a bank account? And today, we are talking about Monese. You want to know if it is a UK bank account. Here is the answer, and I need you to listen very carefully. No. Monese is not a bank. It is an electronic money institution. Now, I can already hear some of you saying, Susie, what does that even mean? It holds my money, I spend my money, it's all the same, right? Wrong. It is not all the same. And when you are retired, or you are approaching retirement, it's not all the same is the difference between being secure and being vulnerable. When you put your money into a traditional, fully regulated bank in the UK, that money is protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, the FSCS. If that bank goes under, if it fails, the government steps in to protect your deposits up to £85,000. That is the safety net. That is the promise that your money is going to be there when you need it for your groceries, your rent, your medication, your peace of mind. But Monese? Monese operates differently. They are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, yes, but they operate under what is called safeguarding. They are required to keep your money separate from their own business money. They have to put it in a secure account with an authorized bank or cover it with an insurance policy. So, what is the fear? Why am I standing here telling you this? The fear is that safeguarding is not the same thing as the FSCS. In the event of an insolvency, if Monese were to go out of business, the process of getting your money back is not instantaneous. With an FSCS-protected bank, the system is designed to get you your money quickly because the government backs it. With an e-money institution, even with safeguarding, you are essentially a creditor waiting to be paid out from a pool of funds. It can take longer. It can be more complicated. And quite frankly, when you are living on a fixed income or you are drawing down from your retirement accounts, you do not have the luxury of waiting for things to get sorted out. You need your money to be there, right now, every single time you tap your card. Now, do not misunderstand me. I am not saying Monese is a scam, and I am not saying they are a bad company. They are a tool. And in my financial philosophy, money is a tool. But you have to know which tool to use for which job. If you want a Monese account to use for your day-to-day spending, maybe you use it for a holiday because the exchange rates are convenient, or you keep a small, limited amount of walking around money in there for small online purchases to keep your main bank account details away from merchants. That is fine. That is smart financial architecture. You are compartmentalizing your risk. If that account were compromised, your entire retirement nest egg isn't sitting in it. But if I find out, and I mean this, if I find out that you are keeping your primary retirement savings, your emergency fund, or the bulk of your pension in an e-money institution because the app looked pretty and the setup was easy, I am going to be very upset with you. And more importantly, you should be upset with yourself. You have worked your entire life to build that nest egg. You have sacrificed, you have saved, you have paid your taxes, you have planned. Why would you take an unnecessary risk with that money just for the convenience of a slick interface? You need to ask yourself, what is my goal for this money? If the goal is security, if the goal is the absolute preservation of capital for your golden years, then you keep that money in a traditional, FSCS-protected bank account. A big, boring, stable bank. One that has been around for decades. One that has the full backing of the regulatory system that ensures your money is safe even when the world gets crazy. Actionable takeaway number 1, check your statements. Look at where your money is. If you are using Monese, you use it as a transaction account. A side pocket. A place for your pocket money. Nothing more. Actionable takeaway number 2, if you have more than a few £100s in an e-money account, move it. Move it to a proper, FSCS-protected bank account today. Do not wait for a better time. There is no better time than right now when it comes to the safety of your future. Actionable takeaway number 3. If you are looking for a place to put your savings, you go to the FSCS website and you look at their list of covered institutions. You make sure that the bank you are using is on that list. You do not guess. You do not assume. You verify. You are the CEO of your life. You are the one who is responsible for the protection of your assets. And if you are retired, your job is not to chase the newest, shiniest, most disruptive fintech app. Your job is to make sure that the money you need to live on is safe, sound, and untouchable. Stop looking for the easiest way and start looking for the safest way. Because I want you to be able to enjoy your retirement, not worry about whether your money is technically banked or just safeguarded. Get your money into a protected account, keep your daily spending separate, and protect your future with the discipline it deserves. That is how you stay in control. That is how you stay secure. And that is how you stay wealthy.